Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for today we're going to be doing one of those YouTube trends. I'm going to be following another YouTuber. Her name is Melrae, Segal. And I'm going to be following her eyeshadow makeup tutorial. The eyeshadow that she's reviewing is the Smashbox Ablaze eye palette. Anyways, so we're just going to be basically looking at these colors. If you guys are interested, please keep watching, like and subscribe. And if you're interested, you can look at any of the other videos on my YouTube channel. Alright, let's get to it.
So first grab the shade Relaxed on a fluffy blending brush. This one is Relaxed. And just apply this right into your crease, blending upwards into your brow bone. This is going to act as your transition shade. Next, grab the shade Throwback, and we're going to use the same brush.
We're already going to a dark color on my
crease and blending it upwards.
She's going too fast. This is harder than I thought.
Just not as far up as we did the Relaxed shade. So you don't need to be.
I'm following what she's doing, and she seems to like kind of keep her eye low so she can get a more dimensional crease, you know? Thousand years later, I finally got it. Probably wasn't supposed to be like that, but I tried.
So next we're going to grab the shade Dark Forest, which is a beautiful matte chocolate brown, and we're using a small tapered blending brush and just applying this right into the crease. And you don't have to keep this too perfect. It can be blended and smudged and smoky because for a halo eye, we like to smudge it a little bit. Kind of messy. So then next we're going to grab Nirvana, and
that's called Nirvana.
Scarlet red shade. We're going to apply this into the outer corner and the inner corner. So for this, I'm using a detailing or pencil brush and applying this to the outer corner.
Alright, what is she doing?
To the inner corner right after.
Kind of wanted it like this.
So this one is just a slightly smaller version of that brush.
So inner corner and outer corner. So this is like the halo look eye, whatever. And I really like this look, honestly. I wanted to try the halo eye. So let's... Alright, so I'm going to go back in with that brown color. Because, I mean, I did not do it dark enough, girl. I'm gonna mix that brown and that orange and put it right in the crease. I'm also dragging it out so it can get some shape to it. But I'm just putting a little tiny bit of orange to blend it in with the brow bone. I'm trying to follow like how she uses the colors to see like what kind of outcome I would have. And let's just say it's a little bit different than hers. Melrae, she's really pretty, and I liked her eye tutorial, really. I did. I like following eye tutorials because that's like what I do all the time, but then I forget like when I'm in front of the camera like what to do. I'm like, oh shit, I forgot how to do eye makeup. Yes, I know, I'll fix up her later. It looks like shiz.
So now you're using the shade Moccasin. We're going to apply this just to that blank space on the center of your lid. And
is going in my eye. Even though I would like the other gold color a lot better.
So just pack it on till it is the desired.
Oh my god, this looks amazing. it. This looks so good. Ooh. Alright, so mine looks a little darker. But hey, let's be honest, it looks good dark.
Next, we're going to apply a mixture of the Nirvana and Throwback shade together. And we're going to apply this to the lower lash line and make it nice and opaque.
Oh, I got some in my eye.
And we're going to blend it out with that first shade that we started out with for the transition, which is the shade Relax. We're going to use a pencil brush.
It looks like I have bags under my eyes when I do this.
I
suck at this part. Okay. Alright. I look so great. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Oh my god. It's done. It's done. You ready? Like, I'm done. No, just kidding. It's not. Alright, so she added something on the inner corner of the eye. And I have something like that, but it's not what she used. But I'm going to be using something different.
We're going to apply moon dust. Liquid moon dust, sorry, in the shade Chemtrail to the inner corner.
Look at that. Oh, yes, Stella, beautiful. I gotta clean up a little bit, so I'm just gonna be cleaning up with my beauty blender. Halo cat eye look. You know what? Everything I do turns into a freaking cat eye. And she was gonna add eyeliner, so that's what we're gonna do. Gonna add some eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with, I don't know what eyeliner she uses, so I'm just gonna go in with my black NYX eyeliner. Boom.
And then we're going to add some liner. You can use any liquid liner that you like, or gel liner. This one is a liquid liner from Lancome, and it's called the Grandiose Extreme. Next, curl your lashes and apply falsies. These ones are, I think they're called Knockout, and they are from House of Lashes. And that is the finished eye look, you guys.
Okay, and also, before I add on my lashes, I'm gonna add this cute glitter I just bought, because why not? And I know I'm supposed to follow the video, but and I know I'm supposed to follow the video, but I just bought this glitter. So I just bought this glitter, like glitter liner, and we're gonna be putting it on the gold. Alright, so I'm gonna put it on the gold. Alright, I just barely put on my lashes. And now I'm just gonna put on lipstick. I'm gonna be using Androgyny by Jeffree Star. Alright guys, so I just finished the makeup tutorial look with Melrae Segal, and I really liked this look, and I think she really did a great job. That's why I chose her video specifically. I thought she was really cute, and I really like this challenge. Yeah. Anyways, I'm probably gonna go shoot some pictures on this look and maybe film another video with a different eyeshadow palette. If you guys are interested, please watch my other YouTube videos on my channel. Please like and subscribe. It would mean a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Love you. So the glitter that I used on my eyes is the Liquid Crystal Body Liner. So this is just like the NYX, NYX, whatever, just liquid liner. I think it's in the color just gold. Yeah, crystal gold. And then I also put a little bit of black eyeliner. I just use Long Lasting Eye Pencil from Essence. Just like a little pencil eyeliner on the bottom of my lid. On my inner corners I use the Stila glitter in the shade Kitten Karma. So yeah, I just use that. I really like that glitter. The lashes that I used are just some at a drugstore, some random kind at a drugstore. You can buy them for like $1. I'm not exactly sure which ones. Mascara I used is just some cheap brand at Walmart. So yeah, that's basically all that I used in this video for my eye look. And yeah, so if there's anything I left out that you want to know what it is, just comment below and I will reply on what it is in the comments below. Time to take off this eye makeup and probably go to sleep or do my homework. So bye guys, have a great night, great day, great afternoon, whatever, and thank you for watching my video.